Another interesting question came in this morning regarding Netflix, BBC programs and the TV license. In other words, do you need a TV license to watch any BBC programs that appear on Netflix? The simple answer to this is no, and I'll explain why. There are, to my knowledge, no live programs shown on Netflix whatsoever. Only pre-recorded programs that are on demand, and you select what you want to watch when you want to watch it, and it's streamed directly to your TV as you require it. And for that, of course, you do not need a TV license. You only need a TV license for live TV, whether that is watching it or recording it, or using BBC iPlayer, because obviously the rules changed to incorporate the BBC iPlayer. But that means that even if BBC programs find their way onto Netflix, but they are not live, then they don't attract the legal requirement to have a TV license. There are more and more people these days that only use Netflix and don't watch any live TV whatsoever. And those people wouldn't need a TV license. So let's say they use a combination of Netflix, Amazon Prime, or YouTube, even certain live streams on YouTube, providing they're not a TV broadcast, then all of those things do not attract the requirement for a TV license. But of course, if they do watch or record any live TV whatsoever, or they use BBC iPlayer on any device, whether that's a mobile phone, whether that's an iPad, a laptop, or even on the TV, then you would need a TV license. So I hope that answers the question, and I think it's particularly relevant because so many people do pay for a TV license out of sheer fear of prosecution that they are doing something wrong. But if all you are doing is watching Netflix and, let's say, nothing else, no live TV at all, no BBC iPlayer, then you don't need a TV license. And even if questions are raised and you are prepared to give firm evidence that you do not do any of those things that requires a TV license, remember that this is still a criminal offence. So in effect, they can't have it both ways. It requires the criminal standard of proof, which is beyond a reasonable doubt, that you are guilty of the offence charged. And personally, I think in most situations where someone is prepared to swear a statement of truth to the court, for fear of being in contempt of court, there is always going to be some reasonable doubt as to whether or not they were guilty of this offence. In other words, watching or recording live TV or using BBC iPlayer without a TV license. But of course, every case stands on its own facts and stands to be decided. But if you do not do anything that requires a TV license, then you simply don't have to pay it. I hope this has been useful. Please remember to subscribe. That really does help my channel grow. And thank you for watching.